Hi everyone. In this weekly task, I built a Dockerized progressive web news application using Next.js. The main goal of this task is to build product-ready PWA that supports offline functionality, push notification, background sync, and web share API, and also Docker-based deployment. For this project, the tech stack I used was Next.js for the front-end framework, React for the component-based UI that can be reusable, Taiwan CSS for styling, Next PWA for service worker integration, Web push APIs for notification, and background sync APIs for handling offline actions. And whole application is Docker containerized, and it is tested using the Lighthouse for performance validation. The problem solved was using this project or users may lost internet connection, but they still expect content to be loaded. Actions like bookmarks should not fail. Apps must be optimized and product ready. Deployment should be consistent across systems. The real world use cases for these applications are news platforms, e-commerce webs, social platforms, and any content driven web application where this application supports offline support, push notification, background sync, and Docker ensures stable deployment. As the architecture flows, high level architecture is now I am starting the application. When user open the application, it is rendered using the Next.js, and you can see the service workers are registered, and static cache also you can see. And we can able to bookmark the any news. And bookmarked articles are present here. We can able to remove also. When it's come to a cache, I can display using first I setting network to offline and reloading the page, and we can now I am creating the offline environment by setting up network offline. Now I am reloading the page. As you can see, we can able to get the news even when the network is offline. Using the cache data, we can able to view the bookmarks. Now I am setting back to the settings. Now I am using subscription. Yes, subscription successful. And now see, I am pushing it. Now I am pushing the notification, a custom notification. Yes, notifications are coming here. Now I am testing the performance using the Lighthouse. I am testing again. as you can the performance is 90%. When it comes to current limitations of these applications is there is no backend database integration and push is locally simulated using the development tools, and further improvements are adding up the backend API integration, storing bookmarks in the real database and deploying it in cloud with HTTPS, and adding the CI/CD pipeline. Finally, this project helped me to understand progressive web app lifecycle and service worker behavior, how the services are created, and also improved performance optimization of the application and debugging process of how to deal with it.